It's the day before the first day of the confirmation of charges hearing of former President Rodrigo Duterte, and Filipinos that support him are slowly gathering here at Duterte Street outside the ICC Detention Center. Nagsimula silang mag-gather dito mga bandang hapon po nitong Sunday, February 22. At may konting pahanda po sila. May mga nanggaling pa ng ibang mga city dito sa Netherlands, pero pati ng Maynila ay dumayo po sila para makapunta dito sa Duterte Street. Yung iba nagtatrabaho dito sa Netherlands at ngayon na Sunday nakapunta kasi bukas at sa mga araw ng hearing ay meron silang trabaho.
I just want to show my support to the former president. It is not out of gratitude, but it is on my own conviction. I was not in the Philippines as he was during his administration, but I have heard from my friends and relatives how he had ruled the Philippines. He is accused of murder, but they didn't think of the millions of Filipinos who felt safe during her administration.
I am confident in the ability of the defense team of the former president, particularly Attorney Nicholas Kaufman, the lead defense counsel, because I know that they have been preparing already and they're prepared to litigate and argue before the court. I am for former President Duterte na hindi magpakita before the court. Alam mo, before the confirmation of charges hearing, bakit? Kasi ayaw ko na maging meme siya, maging katatawanan sa mata ng mga detractors, adversaries or kritiko ni former president. Mas maganda nga na hindi siya nagpakita because he will most likely give credence to the supposed jurisdiction na kiniklaim ng court, where in fact the former president is a Filipino citizen, a former head of state, and I strongly believe from the very beginning that he should be tried before the local courts in the Philippines. Bakit importante na nandito yung mga Pilipino sa labas? Because naniniwala kami, although we cannot really influence the judicial proceedings with respect doon sa kaso ni PRRD, but our presence hopefully will send a feeling that will pierce through the wall of the detention facility, which currently is at the background, no? Na sana ma-feel ni PRRD na hindi kami susuko sa kanya in the same way na dapat hindi siya sumuko sa pagkikipaglaban.
We are expecting the supporters of the former president to be here at Duterte Street and at the ICC as well for the entirety of the ICC confirmation of charges hearing for the former president. I'm Michelle Abad, and my colleague Lian Buan will be at the court as well, bringing you updates from there. So please keep following Rappler for more updates on Duterte at the ICC.